Hello, foolish mortals. This is Faith and Brad with Team Living Dead Duo. We are here at Hollerin on Hayride in Clinton, North Carolina. This is their 8th year, and they have a haunted hayride and a haunted house that you go through. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
Creatures of your darkness, let these poor innocent souls hear the blood-curdling cries within you. Scream!
Oh man, it is comfy. All right, come on.
All right.
I want you to stay right in the middle, okay, sweetheart?
Okay.
Where do I lean up against this one?
You just hold on right there.
Oh boy.
And you can beat that.
Okay. Where is this going?
Oh shit! Son of a bitch!
Jesus Christ! Good Lord! That was crazy. Crazy.
You're hungry?
You ain't from around here, are you, boy?
Yeah?
Are you?
Please don't make me! Oh! Hello! They sure is hilarious! And you know what? You came on just the right day as well. I have a special treat for all of you. You're never gonna guess what day it is. What day is it? Come on, it's gotta be something good, right? Come on, guess what day it is?
What day is it?
Friday!
Alright, since none of you can come up with a competent answer by yourselves, I'll feed it to you. It's free lobotomy day! I'm gonna guess by the awkward silence over here that you don't know all about it. I should know all about it. You do? Oh! Well, you look like you've had a couple. That's free!
You're always trying to trip me.
No, I'm not trying to
Where are you going?
with them.
You can't go.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Go back to your room.
Fine.
Go.
Listen, I am so sorry. Do you have all your toes? Because if not, we probably have them pickled. You can come pick them up by the end of the night, all right? All right? Bye!
Okay, bye.
Uh-oh, she's gonna feed you an eyeball. Oh, we got a bunch of screams.
It's on the other side, though. Yeah.
Pookie?
Oh, that's
Well, I don't know your name. Hey there. Guess what? It's what? Oh, I remember you.
Yeah!
You remember this time, don't you? I'm not waving at you. Have you seen the Batman anywhere?
He's right over there.
Well, I haven't seen him and he doesn't want to come out and play. So, I have to come out here and ask everyone. I won't do it. Bye-bye.
Oh, wow.
There's a free candy van. Yeah.
Open that refrigerator door and get out of here. They're waiting
Okay.
on you.
All right.
There you go. Red meat!
Uh-oh. Oh, God, this guy's been gutted.
It's Dr. Satan.
The torture.
Hi.
Tasty. We'll put you in the slow cooker.
Okay.
Come along, let's see here. Your face will make a nice art piece, especially in this hair. I mean, some riblets for later.
Yeah.
Please, I've been here so long.
Uh-oh.
Please don't leave me. Please help me.
Go on, get out of China.
Oh, great. We get to go in here with her.
Please help me.
Oh,
I've
man.
been here so long. I'm in so much pain. Please help me. Please don't leave me here.
I mean, wait, oh, God. Oh, goodness. Oh. Except for this guy. Jeez.
Oh, Clown Town.
Oh yeah, we got some neons. Hello.
Hey, man.
Oh, we got Michael. Man, this really is some tall grass.
Yeah, it is.
That's insane.
Definitely beats the hell out of corn.
Yeah.